We're full chatted with bad ammo. How many shots I get off before I die? Yeah, good, great question. So we're rocking 55 HP. Just to verify, 55 HP. I hope I'm able to get shots off before I die. We're not going to play it any different. We're going to play it just as if we have good ammo. I mean, we do. Kappa. We have to headshot. We're creating our own meta. The 55 HP meta. Snipe scavs up, something to pay attention to. Most people that cross will kill snipe scav. There's probably people down this way. So we'll work our way down there. Thought I heard something over here. The hell are you talking about over there, Brian? Don't know where they are. Nobody spawned on Big Red side, or just they're all chilling? Playing really slow. Let's cross. That dude took so many shots. That first guy took so many bullets. Yeah, if you have a laser, it doesn't matter, I guess. Did you see how many times I hit that guy? Okay, we gotta heal though.
Ты что там отпишешь, хмель?
I know. I'm a potato. Oh, that's true though. Yeah, I mean, I might not be killing him, but his aim is doing this. He's gonna see that he got hit by like 19 shots of 55 HP and be like, that dude's hacking for sure. Who the fuck runs 55 HP? I would guarantee call it whoever it is a hacker if they're shooting this ammo. Insta fucking reported, yes. Maybe I didn't bring enough mags for this shit. This is the new meta ammo, dude. Hey, I bet you his armor's zeroed out. Touche. We hit him in the visor. We hit him in the visor. See, 55 HP is viable against even Killa. Hopefully this guy had a bigger bag. No. Alright. Let's grab the helmet. What kind of ammo is he shooting? M80s. M80s. Meh. I know what I need to do is go drop my other armor though. And then I can wear this and get rid of the weight of this armor.
Стоп!
So those must have been guys that spawned and just crossed right away. Let's see what this, I kind of want to look at that exfil to see what we did to it, but we fucked the face shield. He ricocheted, oh, I think we just penned his head a bunch of times. I don't even know. I'm not even sure what happened. It was all a blur. I know I had to shoot that guy a lot, though. If his teammate would have came with a real loadout, they would have killed me. Yo, I probably can't even shoot through this glass. Gotta make sure I shoot him through the hole. I gotta get my mags reloaded. They didn't come in. Maybe they did come in and they're just lurking. I know if I was reading my damage report, I wouldn't be happy because I would see how many times I got hit and be like, come on, are you kidding me? That guy, well, the guy had a shotgun too. Had he had a meta HK, it might have been different. Right? Might have resulted differently if he was meted out of his mind. Let's go. We got more work to do. Come on. Now, had I been shooting M995 or something, I would have killed that guy really fast, that first guy. But instead I dumped like 40 rounds at him. I don't know if I hit him with them all, but... I mean, I do trash gun grade ammos often. Typing a paragraph on Reddit. Yeah, you might be right. About how fucking dumb this game is. It's just hackers with shooting 55 HP. They don't even know what the hell they're doing. They can't even shoot good ammo. Idiots. At least if you're gonna hack, shoot good ammo. Paid actors. Alright, we gotta try to find more people. The poster? Alright, let's see what's going on here. With our painkillers, we're good. What happened to nothing? Don't worry about it. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, no big deal. that a scav or a player running? Probably a fucking scav.
Yes!
I don't know, guys. I think we proved how good at 55 FMJ was. Let's just call it.
Yes!
Good job, chat. Yo, GG. I'm never using that ammo again. Actually, maybe that's the new meta ammo. How many hits do we have is the question of that raid. How many hits do we have? We hit a few scavs, right? We got like probably like 5 hits on scavs. Left arm and left leg, those guys. So we definitely leg meted them. Or limb meted them. 42 hits. look at the armor absorption. 1077 armor absorption. 1297 flash. So I would say their armor took some damage for them. And he fucking legged our ass. Let's see what we got out of that raid. So, in conclusion, 55 MJ or FM, what was the ammo I was running? 55 HP, I'm sorry. 55 HP is viable. If you fucking hate surviving, I wouldn't run it. Still kind of cool to try it out in a meta setup. We should have died, but we killed the guy with an exfil and a kill armor. GG.